Here we go. It's second down. And about 6. Long 6, maybe 7. It's about 3rd and 3.5. Bring it down. On the play, 4th down. 4th down, Vestal must be recovered. 4th and about 1, 2, 3. 4th and 3. So the initial drive. Flag on the play. Costi enters the game. Looks like a punt. And punt down to the 20. First down, SV. No score. Still first quarter. And looks like a gain of about 1.5. 2nd and 8.5. That opened up. It's a good hole. And SV has its initial first down. Looks like they found a hole on the left-hand side, right-hand side of the defense. No score. Second time SV's had the ball. That was their first down. Looks like the left-hand side of the defense initial contact by 85, Costi. Second and about 14. Middle, good for about 3.5. Third and, I don't know, actually about 3rd and 10. Just about 4 yards on play. And it's tuning up. Practicing, actually. Uh-oh. Broke it open on the left-hand side again. Looks like another first down, SV. First down, yep. They are at their own 48-yard line. They found a hole on that left-hand side. And that was for into the first quarter. No score.